why do we need to get fit? पर मैं इसको एक अलग तरीके से आंसर करना चाहूँगा, why you should not get fit. तो अगर आप फिट नहीं बनते हो तो आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें हो सकती है. आप समय से पहले बूढ़ा लगना शुरू हो जाओगे, आपकी स्किन डल होना शुरू हो जाएगी, आप लेथार्जिक फील करना लगोगे, आपके एनर्जी लेवल्स डाउन हो जाएंगे, आप आपके फेवरेट कपड़ों में फिट नहीं होंगे, आप कई सारे हेल्थ चैलेंजेस एनकाउंटर कर सकते हो फ्यूचर में. और इस तरीके के अगर चैलेंजेस अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए आपके लाइफ में, तो इन रीजंस के लिए आपको फिट होना पड़ेगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
Why should one be fit? Fitness is celebration of health to me. And to be fit, you need to work out every day. That means celebration every day. And celebration means happiness. So fitness equals to celebration equals to happiness. Do we need any other reason to be fit? To feel strong, to feel good, and to look good is just a byproduct of fitness. Be fit. That's the way of life.
Hi guys, just want to touch upon the point, why should we get fit? Well, you need to get fit because, it reduces all the kind of health problems one you might have in the future or one you might be having right now, like obesity, cholesterol, kind of chronic problems, anything for that matter. Just to touch on a humor basis, you might have seen those yogic positions when people are drunk, you find that memes and forwards coming to you that when I'm drunk, I can be flexible like this. So why do you need to get drunk to be flexible like that? Why can't you do that in real life? You just need to be fit. Fit as in not have rippling muscles, but fit enough to run, fit enough to play with your kid, fit enough to spend time with your family. That's all. Thank you.
Then getting fit is very important because you don't want to see others helping you in your future. Like you don't want to get yourself dependent on anyone else to do your basic needs, like taking you to the washroom and doing your day-to-day activities. In other words, we can say that getting fit is like taking steps toward your better future.
And the question that we have is, why should people be fit? I would say people should be fit because fitness is an addiction that is good to have. So when you embark on a journey to fitness, you learn a lot of discipline and dedication. And this discipline and dedication that you learn can be incorporated into many other ways in your life. Also, when you're fitter and stronger physically, it also means you're fitter and stronger mentally. So you take better decisions. You face the hurdles that life throws at you in a much better way.
Why everyone should be fit? I think it's as simple as that. It makes you happy. It gives you a chance to a better quality of life.
People should get fit so that they can set an example for next generation.
Fitness is really important because if you don't spend your time in fitness now, later you'll have to spend your hard-earned money in hospital bills. So be fit now and enjoy your life later, because pain is temporary, pride is forever.
There's no right or wrong. I wanted to get fit because I wanted to fit in my clothes, but now I'm continuing because I want to be stronger. I want to be healthier so that I could take care of myself, then I could take care of the people I love.
फिटनेस इज़ कंटेजियस. अगर आप फिट हैं तो आपको देख के लोग इंस्पायर होते हैं. दैट इन्फेक्शन गोज इनटू द अदर पर्सन माइंड कि मुझे भी इस तरह से इंस्पायर होना है, मुझे भी इस तरीके से और फिट होना है. फिटनेस एक अलग क्लास है. आप बहुत लोगों में अलग नज़र आते हैं. आपका कॉन्फिडेंस एपिटोम होता है, प्राइम होता है. आप जिससे भी इंटरेक्शन करते हैं, जैसे भी बात करते हैं, यू फील नाइस अबाउट इट, यू फील ग्रिप्ड अबाउट इट. फिटनेस आपको डिसिप्लिन देता है. फिटनेस आपको फोकस रखता है. फिटनेस आपको इंश्योर करता है कि आप किसी चीज़ के लिए भी अगर लॉयल हैं और दिल से उसको चाहते हैं और आप फिट हैं तो ये 100% आपके साथ बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट है.
One being, why to spend money over medicines when you should be fit and keep away those medicines? Then you can be independent if you're fit. Then
most of us live in nuclear families these days. So it's very, very important to be fit. Because if you're not fit, you will not be able to survive alone, or maybe you'll not be able to handle the pressure, the physical or maybe mental. There are many pressures that we are dealing with every day.
Fit people are stronger, not physically but mentally too. And stronger people are better in all aspects. They move better, they think better. Life without fitness is like jalebi without chashni. No taste. If you're still not convinced to get fit, तो आपके फैंस भी कभी किसी कोने में ऐसे ही रोएंगे.
मतलब कोई फिटनेस कोई कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे हम लोग इनसे इतनी उम्मीदें बना के बैठे हैं. ते इन्हां नूं बर्गर खवाओ, इन्हां नूं लैके चलो लाहौर, उत्थे पराठे खवाओ, कढ़ाइयां खवाओ, इन्हां दे ढिड एडे वड्डे कराओ. ये क्या हो रहा है इधर? हम इतना टाइम पैसा सब कुछ लगा के आते हैं, कोई फिटनेस का ख्याल नहीं यार. भाई जज्बा सिंसियरिटी होती है ना जब, तो आपको पता होता है मैंने कितना खाना है, कितनी कैलोरीज अंदर लेके जानी, कितनी मैंने ट्रेनिंग करनी है. आप रात को आइसक्रीम खा रहे हो, मजाक हो रहा है.
Fitness is important because if we don't stay fit, we will not be able to enjoy our life.
And how can we stay fit?
By doing exercise every day. And one thing, you need to do warm up before exercising.
Okay, we need to do warm up before exercise. And what else?
And we need to eat carbs, fats and protein to keep ourselves strong.
And how do we get them?
By eating healthy food, not outside food.
You don't
Only
eat outside
once
and
in-
either?
Just once in a while.
Once in a you eat your veggies?
Yes.
Chalo, good.
Everyone should get fit because we can make fitness a habit. Motivation will get us started. It helps us to be more creative and intellectual, supplements self-confidence, helps relieve stress and gives us happiness. Instead of having junk food, we can have quantified nutrition which includes soya, cheese, paneer, curd, milk in our diet.
Fitness is the only thing that is going to last with you forever. Even your immediate family members are going to think of you as a burden if you have fallen ill and you are there in your bed in your old age. So just think about this before it's really too late. Stop looking for dresses in plus sizes store. They are not going to help you with your health problems. We are running back to basics. Pehla sukh, nirogi kaya. Health comes first. Put your food in your mind first, analyze, and then put in your mouth. Just don't rule over anything and everything that appeals you. Let's be Barbie, not Charbi. God has given a golden opportunity. Maids नहीं आ रही हैं. पोछे लगाओ घर में रगड़ रगड़ के. बाहर रेस्टोरेंट्स बंद हैं. घर का खाना खाओ, हेल्दी खाओ, क्वांटिफाइड खाओ. बॉस अब भी नहीं किया ना तो कभी नहीं होगा. Good luck.
I would like to thank Neeraj for giving me this opportunity to share my views on fitness. Nowadays, when we heard the term fitness, we only think that fitness is all about good physique or good physical appearance. What I believe that fitness as a whole concept, which includes physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being of an individual. So now it's time to evaluate our workout plans, and by that way we can achieve the whole well-being package. I will share you my experience. I used to go to gym every day and do instructed exercise given by my trainer. I am not expert on this subject, but when you do a gym, you can add more dimensions into it. For example, sometimes you go for a walk in the garden, you can go for a cycling in the highways, you can add yoga sessions, do pranayam and dhyan, and you can go for a team exercise and so on. So, I am not saying that you will get the instant results from that, but I can definitely say that this will help you out for the monotonous exercise. And after some time, you will definitely feel good and you can start your whole dimensional journey of well-being, and it will reflect on your life.
One should get fit because if you are fit, you will be able to enjoy your life medicine free. You will not have any diseases as you get older. You can save a lot of hassle in living life as you get old. Also, for me, it is more important because I want to set an example for my kids so that they can learn at early age and can also follow a healthy lifestyle lifelong. Thank you.
Getting fit is like investing money for the future. So if you want to stay long and healthy, we have to stay fit.
क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमने फिट क्यों रहना चाहिए. खुद के लिए फिट रहो, क्योंकि हम देखते हैं हमारे जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 70 या 60 के एज में वो गुजर जाते हैं और उनको 50 या 40 के एज से उनको डिजीजेस लगना चालू होते हैं. डायबिटीज़ है, हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स है, कैंसर्स की प्रॉब्लम है. उनसे बचने के लिए हमने खुद को फिट रखना चाहिए. और मैं एक लड़की हूँ, सो मुझे मालूम है लड़कियों को बहुत अलग अलग कपड़े पहनने की बहुत आदत है, उनको खूबसूरत दिखने की आदत है. सो जब भी हम शॉप में जाते हैं हमारे साइज़ के फिट ना रहने के कारण हमारे साइज़ के कपड़े हमको मिलते नहीं है. सो वो भी एक रीज़न है कि अगर हम फिट रहे तो हमको वो हमारे साइज़ के कपड़े मिल सकते हैं और हम लंबे टाइम तक लॉन्ग टाइम तक जी सकते हैं अगर हमने खुद की अभी से केयर की तो हम फिट रहे तो.
Majority of people think that fitness is about only weight loss and being away from diseases. But many of us also knows that this is not the truth. Being fit is a spectrum which is much more wider than just being thin. It includes your mental, social and physical well-being. And these three are not only words. It includes every aspect of your life. So just think about that. Can you just give me a single aspect of your life on which fitness has not a positive impact? I would say so. Stop being like we don't have time, and stop giving yourself excuses and how to start. We don't know. I know that it is not a simple task to remain fit throughout your life, but however not tough too. So guys, start doing right now, and all the best.